Alrighty guys, we're back again with another 100 today, and we're gonna play the all aboard. You know I love to yell, and I'm just looking for an excuse to yell all aboard, so come on in, we're going west, everybody. But the problem is, I'm on the west coast, so if I go any more west, I'm going into the ocean. All right, let's go to the ocean, everybody, let's go. What a life. All right, back again with 100 going in the machine. I was looking for Yesenia. All right, where am I at? Are the angles properly tangled? Are the stars getting spangled? We're looking good, I think, right? Yep, looks good to me. What are we doing? Let me come in hot. Talking about with 3 on the 10 cent, 250, let's go. Maybe it'll have a warm welcome for me. Oh, I thought that was it. We were halfway there, brother. It's okay. One more. Hold on. All right, last one, and we're going to the 5 cent. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, and I'm all aboard bound. Oh, we're getting closer. Hold on, this is it. If nothing by 70, I'll go to the 2 cent. And here's a question I have for everybody. What do you think about the idea of changing denominations every so often if it doesn't hit, right? Are you kind of like, no, you change the denomination too much, stay on the same one, ride it out, this and that? Or are you like, no, I would do the same? I need the feedback. We're all in this together, right? And at the end of the day, it's not like I'm trying to make a lot of money by making, how much are we gonna make on the 125 bet, right? I'm just trying to add a little more excitement to the videos for everybody. Come on. Ah, what a life. Hold on, let me check the angle a little bit. All right, last one, we're going to the 2 cent. All right, so minimum here is $1, that's fair. Hello? If nothing by 50, we're going to the 1 cent. We have to try them all. We have to be fair. We gotta try them here. We gotta try them there. We gotta try them everywhere. Come on, all aboard. Give us something to pop off about. All right, I'm going to the 1 cent. This is it. I'm gonna hit him with a 1 penny, 2 penny, 3 penny, 4 before I go. That's it. I'm leaving. One more. $150, I'm feeling it. Oh, she got the all aboard. Oh, she's puffing. Oh, a day late and a train short, huh? Come on, brother. Oh, a day late and what a life short. Oof. Hello? Can I please get an all aboard? All right. Oh, maybe the dollar bet here. Hold on. We have to play the field. One panic, two panic, three panic, four. Come on, everybody. Let's get the bonus on the floor. Oh, yes, no. All right. Last one. And maybe I will go to $0.05. Pay that rent, but don't put a dent. Ay, ay, ay. That's me. When I kick and scream. Oh, the ladies. Hey! Oh, B. Come on, doggy. Don't do this to me. That's me. Right here. Come on, brother. Let me catch. And all aboard. I don't know why that horse reminds me of me so much. Like, if you look back at all my videos, all my live streams, all my premieres that I've done where this horse is involved, it's always me. Why? Was I a horse looking like that in a past life? Hello? Yes? Oh. Oh no, my heart. Please, dude, that was it. It should have been it. And there's the one we needed. Ay, ay, ay. Achoo! Oof, guys, I'm sorry. It was a painful one. It hurt for me to have to sneeze this in, but here we go. I don't know, somebody was walking by, they were puffing, they were huffing. Maybe it was the lady next to me, but either way, here we go. We got the money going in the machine somehow. We sneezed, the money went in, and that's it. I'm panicking. All right. Come on, one bonus, doggy. Give us a good one. Yes. I mean, I might as well try 3 on the 10-cent, huh? Let's do it, everybody. Here we go. 10 cent. Pay the rent. Oh. Oh, no. Yo, she keeps getting the all aboards left and right. Hey, what's going on? Good for her, though. We got to stay positive. Here we are. We're next. All right, last one. Come on. Back to the 5. We got to stay alive. Go. All aboard. I want to yell, too. All right, if nothing by 75, I'm going to the 1 cent. All right, that's it. All right, one more, hold on. Last one with an upside down left on the right. Oh, I even try to switch it up on him. 150, I'm raising the bet. All aboard. I want to yell. What a life. Come on, horse. There we go. Kick for me, brother. Should I hit him with a 1 panic, 2 panic, 3 panic? Oh, that's it. No more panicking. Wait, I'm in for 200. We haven't even been here for 10 minutes, please. Boom. Oh, brother, I was trying to be cool. They're embarrassing me in front of my friends. Please, my friends. Everyone, please. You know, I hate to ask. But if you haven't liked the video yet, can you please like the video? We need some positivity here. But watch, when you like the video, it's gonna give us a thing, and then I can say thank you to you who liked the video. So please, come on, help us out. All aboard, I feel it. All right, that's it. I'm doing the ticket out, ticket in method. Switch up the timing and it's no longer Bizzok, it's gonna be Bob in the building. Last one, go ahead. I'm cashing out. Bing, 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 bing. Oh, here it is. All right, we ticket out and now we're ticketing in. It's no longer Bizzok, it is Bob in the building, brother. Go ahead, build something up for us. Hit me. Bob! Oh, Bob, what a life. What a way to just bob us around, huh? All right, Bob, please, no more jokes. Yes, Bob, hit me. Hey, Bob, Bob! Oh, I'm about to take Bob into the back room and have a word with him. I mean, I don't know, Bob, you can't be playing games with me like this. My heart, I'm getting old. Hello? I mean, what, should I go to $1? Bob, go to $1. There we go. Can we get one bonus at the very least? Oh, what? Ah, Bob. Brother, what's the problem? Ah. Okay, back to 5 cent, Bob. Give that a try. Oof. That's me. I still want the trains though. I'm trying to catch the money train. Hello? Kick, scream. Well, we gotta put on some kind of a show. Come on, Bob. Yes. No. Hello? All right, try 2 cent, Bob. That's it, Bob, you're fired. Not you. Guys, I don't know, what do you think? Why is it not doing anything? I think we've got to go 20 at a time right now. Hold on, bear with me here. It's Bizzok back in the building. Can everyone still hear me? I pulled my microphone. Hello? All right, here we go. That's right, kick and scream. Oh, kick me. What a life. I don't know, something tells me I'm gonna get the grand today. That could have been the grand today. Going to the 5 cent. Okay, what is the problem though? Like, I'm asking for feedback because somebody has to have been through this before, right? Or does this just happen with me? And I know you also watch other videos of other people, right? I'm not gonna say that you're only supposed to be loyal to me and not watch anyone else. Shame on you if you do. No, I'm kidding. But no, really though, if you do, like, tell me, like, do other people suffer like this too? Like, I really want to put on a good show for you guys. Like, we're in for like 220. Give me a $150 bonus back. We're still gonna be down. You know, I'm not trying to win a billion, gazillion. You know? Like, I just want to excite my friends in the ends. Oh, excite, hey, what a life. Hello? Maybe I should bring Bob back. I feel bad now. Oh, Bob. Oh, that's you. But I'll let Bob play. All right, here we go. $240 and still not one bonus. Oh, what happened? Wait, it's not. Hello? Okay, we're in. We are in. Here's one. Here's two. What a life. Oh. All right, what do I title this, guys, please? Should I title it, You Won't Believe What Happened to Me on the Train Today? Or You Won't Believe What Happened on This All Aboard? Wow. I mean, hold on, let's try some here. Come on, doggy. I mean, it has to hit, right? Hello? Sorry, I was struggling. Here we go. The security guard walked by and looked at me like, hello. I'm like, brother, I'm sorry. I had to lean with it, rock with it, switch to the other leg, then I had to flop with it, drop with it. Oh, that's it. $260 in the machine, and we're gonna get the grand. Watch, guys. It's tweaking out. Am I tweaking out? No, hold on. It's not. Hold on. Hold on. Go ahead. It took it. Hit me. Come on, give me one good bonus here, brother, or sister, or wagon, or dragon. I'll do 3 on the 250 because I'm feeling out of hand now. Thank goodness for the kicking and screaming. Well, hit me. That's it. Please, please. Oh, I gotta drop it. Oh, one more and we gotta drop it. Go, go, go. Ah! I'm sorry, my friends. That's gonna be me at this machine after this video. Just look at him. I mean, does he not look like me? Can we all acknowledge the fact that he just looks exactly like me? You guys are like, all right, Bizzok, get off. Oh, come on, I want to yell. Oh, what a life. I sound like a car battery, just out of energy. Oh, please, last one. Don't let me down, brother. Oh, all right, guys, listen. Well, what can I say, you know? We're here, you're there, but either way, we're here together. Thank you all for being here. We came in and we're down $260. I'm at a loss for words. Let me know, would you put even more in? I feel like we gotta cut it. Something's wrong with this machine. I gotta call somebody and see what's going on. I'm just kidding. Maybe that's just how it is, right? It's the reality of it. Either way, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for being here. If you're here till the end, hit the like button if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one.